Welcome to Trinity Stamp's September release. Today I will be showing you the Cozy Bear stamp and die set. This stamp set measures 4 by 8 inches and contains 15 stamps, including a cup, a bear on a sofa, a bookshelf, a rug, a book, a bookcase, a lamp, a cute little kitten, and a nice big couch. The sentiments that are included in this are happy hibernation, and it's time to get cozy, just one more chapter, let me tell you a story, put your feet up and relax, and there's no place like home. I think that's my favorite. The coordinating die set contains dies to cut out all the sentiments and all of the images except for the mug and the book. For the mug and the book, those can get placed right into the bear's hand, and I'll show you some examples of that later on, but those are perfect for masking and using for single layer cards. So here are the masks that I created for the coffee mug and the book, and I just hold on to those for whenever I want to use them. So I'm going to create a card today using some of the stamps in the stamp set along with the Slimline patterned paper, which is awesome. It's double-sided. I love the sheen to it, and the colors are perfect for all of the fall stamps and dies that are going to be released. So I'm using my frame and fold die and cutting that out because I'm going to do a smaller card for this one. So I'm just going to score it down, make sure that it's nice and flat. I put There's No Place Like Home sentiment on the top of it, and then I'm just starting to apply all my pieces. This stamp set is great for scene building. It's so much fun. So I'm putting the bookshelf up so it looks like it's right on the wall in the room. And by the way, that background I created using some Distress Oxides off camera beforehand. And next I'm placing that blanket on top of the couch so it looks like it's hanging over the edge. And then I'm going to put the little kitty taking a nap on the other side of the couch. So that was a quick and easy card using this stamp set. I just love the variety of stamps, and you can create so many different looks with this specific stamp set. And I love that background pattern paper too. So here's some other examples that I created using this stamp set. For this card, I stamped out the bear, and then I used my coffee mug mask to put the coffee mug sitting right in his hand. And then I also used our new quilted cover plate die as well. And the sentiment, it's time to get cozy. So this next card is the card that I was mentioning earlier, the single layer card look that I used these masks to create, and I also used my book mask to get the book right in his little hand. It looks so flawless. I love that. These kind of cards are just so much fun to create. They're single layer, so they're easy to send in the mail too. And I use the sentiments just one more chapter and let me tell you a story. I think those two go really well together. This last one I created, I wanted to look like it was a little bear in his little den reading at the end of the day. So I used all of the stamps for this Slimline card along with that new Slimline pattern paper. So here's another card example from another design team member. Thank you very much for watching this product close-up video. Please be sure to subscribe to Trinity Stamp's YouTube page and also our Facebook page, Imagination, Inspiration, and Conversation. Have a great day!